So I've got two children at different stages of their educational journey, and I looked on the market to see what was available, and I needed something personalised for each of them. The 5 positions of the Origami Shield are amazing and they're really easy to navigate. My 6-year-old daughter Bo can put them into all 5 positions quite easily without my help. You know, kids being kids, they work these iPads. They're drop tested 26 times from over 4 feet onto a concrete surface and insurance approved. I mean, it really gives me and their school the peace of mind to know there's very little chance of damage being done or any learning downtime, which is also super important. They work perfectly for us, and I know their school buddies use them too because their parents asked me where I got them from.